Out here doing some work, trying to get it done. That did it?
Yeah.
All right, terrific. So this is the kind of stuff I'm talking about. Don't do to the guy that comes behind you. This right here, not labeled. There's no description on what was going on. I'm about to put a description. And why do you have to have a splice in mid-run? You know, it just makes it so much tougher for everybody else. And then on top of that, you're changing the color of wire. You're going from a yellow to gray, and then you're going from a blue to the white. And I get it. You get one guy that does one part of the job, and another guy does another part of the job, but save us some time, document what you got, and then no splices. If you're going to do them above ground. But if you go below ground, let's get some direct burial wire in there so we make sure that this lasts. And then on top of that, this guy or girl went from 2 pair to 1 pair. So even though we have a bad wire, we can't go any further past this on the building because we only have 2 pair. So luckily we were able to find the bad point in this. So as you can see, I'm documenting it, what was here, and then I'll document what time it was, and then they'll be able to contact the contractor and let him know that there's any issues, and he'll know exactly where to go.